Hello everyone. So today I'm going to discuss about two topics like in quantum physics, which is quantum entanglement and quantum tunneling. Quantum physics is something which I'm very interested in, and I see a lot of people actually facing difficulty because the topic is actually very difficult, and I don't see very easy explanations of where people are able to relate to. But if you see closely, quantum physics is actually related to your life as well. So two major aspects, that is quantum tunneling and quantum entanglement, is something which I always find is very difficult, and people have difficulty. So today my target is to basically explain you or make it simpler for you. So that's my ultimate aim and goal. So I'll just be discussing the theoretical aspect. Don't expect anything for discussing it for the numerical part or something. I know many NEET aspirants, JEE aspirants, or many people would be watching this video, but it is basically for the fact that you understand it better. And if by any way, if you're if I'm able to explain you the concept and you are able to relate it and solve a question in JEE or NEET or anywhere else or in GATE or whatever exams possible, I'll be more than happy. But my main basic aim and motto in this video is to explain you the concept, because that's very very complicated. I just want to make it simpler for you. That's the ultimate goal. Okay, so today I am going to discuss about quantum tunneling. Okay, so let me begin with quantum tunneling today. Just I beg your pardon because I'm not very good with this paint and everything, but I'm trying my best because I want to give you an explanatory video rather than just looking at some definitions and explaining. Because I believe when you are able to explain something in the best possible way, it's the best thing. Because to teach is to learn twice. That's also a very important proverb which I've heard of. So I believe in that. So this is basically a knowledge sharing video. That's it. Just want to make your lives easier. Okay. So now done with this. So now I'll be explaining quantum tunneling basically. Okay. So imagine there are two particles. Not imagine, just think that there are two particles. Okay. So this is supposed to be just I'm trying to do a wall. I'm just trying to make a wall. Okay. This is a wall. My handwriting is very bad here. Just see, it's very bad. Okay, I'm not trying to write anything. So basically imagine there are two particles. Okay, this is one particle, not two particles, one particle. First of all, let's think it to be. So basically what is the tendency? If is suppose this wants to cross over here, it wants to go over here. Okay, so if we look at this way, it's not very easy that it can cross. Right, because suppose this is basically the wall. This is the wall. Instead of doing it here, I'm just doing the wall here. Just the wall. If you look at it that way, if a person is trying to walk through, like if the person is standing here, suppose I have to go through the wall, I won't be able to do it because we are humans first of all, and it's not possible for us to go. And until and unless you will, now many people will come up and tell me, we can break the wall, we can basically break the wall and go through. I know it's very simple if you think it that way, but in general if we look at it, we won't be able to cross it, but a quantum particle will be able to cross it. Okay, now I'm not going into the details of the mathematics and everything because I don't want to go to it, but I'm just trying to explain the concept here. Now when the particle is able to cross the wall without any difficulty, without any problem, okay, not like how, just don't think yourself to be an human being at that point of time, like you are trying to cross the wall, it's not possible. But the quantum particle, because it has certain properties, it is able to move from one surface to, it is able to cross to the other surface. That means from here it has come to here. Now how has this happened? This has happened with the help of quantum tunneling. Okay, so I feel this is the best possible explanation and the easiest explanation which I could have given. So this is what is quantum tunneling. Okay, So I think it is clear till now. If not, please let me know in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to help and I'll try to improvise on the explaining aspects. Okay. So this is quantum tunneling. Now the second concept which I would like to explain over here is quantum entanglement. Okay. By the term entanglement, I think many of you can guess that somehow it is entangled, it is linked, it is intersecting, right? So exactly, quantum entanglement is also based on that same principle. Okay. So I am going to explain over here quantum. Mouse is not working properly. Yeah, but I'm trying. Aspects for some reason. I think now it should work. So now I am going to explain you quantum entanglement. Okay, so quantum entanglement. Quantum entanglement, right? So now coming to quantum entanglement. Now, suppose there are two particles. Not suppose, there are two particles actually. Two particles. Okay. If you are separating them for around a long distance I mean very long distance. Suppose one person is sitting in India. Okay, just imagine that person to be a quantum particle and the second particle to be sitting in the USA, that is United States of America. Okay, you will see that even while they're separated by such a long distance, it is independent of time and space. The two particles somehow are behaving in the same manner. Now you will ask me, how is this possible? This actually is the phenomena noticed by the scientist. Okay, that two particles, even when they are separated by a very large distance, independent of time, space, whatever you call it, all the parameters possible. Okay, it is independent of it, and you will see that these two particles are behaving like in the same manner. Like if someone is spinning their hand in the left, the other person is also spinning their hand in the left, right? Or complementary actions are taking place. It's like black and white, okay, north and south, yin and yang, like we know, positive, negative. So this is how exactly the quantum entanglement is happening. Or at maximum cases we have seen they are doing the same action. Now how is this possible? This is possible with the help of quantum entanglement. It's a phenomena. A lot of mathematics is involved. I'm not going deep dive into it and I'm not very aware also as well. But if you actually want me to explain all that, definitely I'll be able to help you with that. Let me know in the comments below and please let me know how has this video helped you. So that means this quantum entanglement, if I have to explain, okay, going by the basics, it's like cursor, this is not happening in the best possible way, I feel. Okay, it's a touch screen, so I can, yeah, quantum entanglement. So what I mean by is distance. I'm just writing distance here, space, time. It is independent. Okay, this is independent. My handwriting is very bad here. Just bear with me. Okay, main ultimate aim is to explain you. So it is independent. Two particles divide. So what I said, remember, two particles separated by a large distance. One is in India, one is in United States of America. Even when you are separated by a large distance, they are independent. They are independent of time, space, and time, space, whatever you call it. Okay, and they will behave in the same manner. They're entangled. They are interrelated with each other. They will behave in the same manner. Okay, so this is what quantum entanglement is. So these are the two concepts which I wanted to explain you. Anyone who is looking for knowledge enhancement video can watch this. Any JE aspirant, NEET aspirant, GATE aspirant, or any exams possible. If you're planning for SAT, if you're sitting for SAT, uh, whatever, USMLE, anywhere this concept is required, I think you will be able to go through it, and you'll be able to understand it better. Now my main aim and motto is to explain you the concept. No numericals, nothing. I'm not discussing, I'm not going into that depth. I just wanted to explain the concepts. So this was my ultimate main aim, goal. I hope this video has helped you, and let me know in the comments how what else can I do to improvise this. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if any other quantum topics, if you want me to discuss with you. I'll be more than happy to discuss, because I'll be trying to even inculcate more videos on quantum topics, because something which is very close to my heart, and I really like to understand quantum depths topics. Okay. So this much for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.